Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you a Halloween idea. I was looking into the stash that I have of Halloween items, and in doing so I found a table cover that I had bought recently at the Dollar Tree, and these are the measurements right here. So in looking at this tablecloth, I said to myself, wait a minute, I have an idea. I can always go to the Dollar Tree and get another one to use as a tablecloth, but I am going to make myself a little Halloween project, and that is converting this tablecloth into a shower curtain. Now I know that I will have to cut at the bottom, that's fine. So then at the top, what I plan to do is add a strong border to the back, to the inside of this tablecloth, and I will also make a hole. So I'll have to make 12 of them for 12 shower curtain hooks. So that will hold the curtain up, and it'll be in a bathroom that I rarely use. You know, I have 2.5 bathrooms in my house, so it's a bathroom that I don't use. So no one's gonna be sliding the curtain back and forth, and you know what I'm saying? There's not going to be any use given to it. So that's what I plan to do. Convert this tablecloth into a shower curtain for that bathroom, and since it's a small bathroom, I will add Halloween items to it. So it's going to be a Halloween theme in there. I mean, I know that I can go on Amazon and, eBay and probably look for a shower curtain. A shower curtain for the bathroom, but I wasn't even planning to do that. I wasn't planning to buy one. So since I have this tablecloth and I got that idea, suddenly I will try it and see how it comes out. And I will share that with you. So remember this tablecloth. Okay, you will see it again, but you will see it as a shower curtain. So I hope that you have enjoyed the idea, and thank you so much for watching.